Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share one of the most delicious festival pudding, that is sheer kurma, a perfect and quick dessert for celebrations. It's very rich and creamy, made with vermicelli, lots of dry fruits and nuts. A must try recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients for sheer kurma: first, let's soak these nuts and dates for 2 hours. All the nuts and dry fruits are soaked well. Now it's easy to remove the skin from almonds. Now let's chop all the dry fruits and nuts and keep it aside. Make sure there's no water in the nuts and fruits. Dab it with a tissue and then start chopping. Dry fruits and nuts are ready to be fried. To a pan, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, also called clarified butter. Add the chopped nuts and fruits and fry them on a low-medium heat. Now you can see the nuts have turned to a lovely golden color and the raisins are plumped up. Now remove them from the pan and keep it aside. Into the same pan, let's toss the vermicelli. It's already roasted, but I just want to give a quick toss. This is 60 grams of fine vermicelli. Now we have all the elements ready. Now let's start making the sheer kurma. Take a heavy bottomed pan and add 750 ml of fresh full cream milk. Let the milk come to a boil. Add the roasted vermicelli. Since it's a fine vermicelli, it will take only 3 minutes to cook. It's completely cooked. Now I'm adding 150 ml of condensed milk. If you like a little more sugar, you can add it according to your taste. Give it a nice mix. Let it come to a nice rolling boil. Now add the roasted nuts and the dry fruits. I'll keep some for garnish. Mix everything together. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron. Off the flame and add a pinch of salt. This will enhance the sweetness. Give this a nice good mix. This is incredibly delicious. You can serve it nice and warm, or you can refrigerate it for an hour or two and can be served chilled. Before serving, garnish with some nuts and fruits. It's so rich and creamy. It's a perfect pudding for any festival. Do try this recipe and enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Post your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.